Hi everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video update. So now let's begin with the video.
Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is without doubt one of the most popular tourist hotspots of Mumbai. Sitting proudly on the Apollo Bandar, it overlooks the Arabian Sea. It is one of the defining monuments of the city of Mumbai and was built in the year 1924. The construction was undertaken by the famous architect George Whitted to honor the King George V and Queen Mary to Mumbai. The imposing structure of the monument is beautiful confluence of Indian, Arabic and Western architecture and has become a popular tourist hub in the city. It is also the starting point of number of ferry services that plies to historic Elephanta Caves. Nicknamed Mumbai's Taj Mahal, the foundation of this landmark was laid in 1911 and it was inaugurated 13 years later in 1924. The structure in itself is made of yellow basalt and solid concrete and is embellished with numerous Muslims and Hindu motifs as well. The basalt arch of the gateway served as the entry and exit access to India through waterways before independence and was the exit point from where the last British ship left India for England. There are statues of Swami Vivekanand and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj that have been installed near the gateway as well. Kaneri Caves. Located in Sanjay Gandhi National Park near Borivali in Mumbai, the Kaneri Caves in Mumbai are a group of rock-cut monuments in the form of caves. The caves and the painting themselves illustrate the Buddhist influence on the Indian art and culture. The caves are famous for their 109 special entrance as well as for the ancient sculpture, carvings, paintings and inscription dating back to 1st century to 10th century that adorn their basalt formation. Standing in the sharp contrast to the verdant greenery of surrounding hills, Kaneri Caves can be accessed through a series of rock-cut steps. While the caves provide excellent insight into history, it can be clearly seen that they were built over an extensive period of time. The older of Kaneri caves are plainer in the design, while the newer caves are more ornamented. What ties the design of each of these caves is an individual stone plane on which they rest, which is common to all. In addition to caves, a congregation hall, intricately carved pillars, Buddhist stupas, and ingenious water channels carved out stones are some of the exciting aspects to witness and marvel. Another one of the caves were been converted into monastery and hold special importance for Buddhist community. Jahangir Art Gallery. Jahangir Art Gallery is located at Kala Ghoda in southern Mumbai and is the one of the most prestigious venue for artists to display and showcase their work. The formation of the gallery was funded by Khawasji Jahangir and it has served its artful pursuits ever since it was established in 1952. Named after Sir Khawasji late son Jahangir, the gallery has hosted the work of famous artists such as M.F. Hussain, S.H. Raza. A haven for art lovers, this destination is well known for its splendid art exhibits. Such, such is the prestige of the art venue that artists have to wait for long as 2 years before they can open their exhibits here. The premises of Jahangir Art Gallery were earlier an enormous mansion. At present, the gallery consists of total 4 halls with all possible facilities to showcase various medium of visual art, namely exhibition gallery, auditorium hall, terrace art gallery for photography and visual art, and the Hirji Jahangir Gallery. The esteemed gallery hosts as many as 300 shows per annum. An interesting phenomena here is that artists who cannot make it to the gallery displays their work right outside the gallery on the pavement. Marine Drives. Marine Drive is the most easily identifiable landmark associated with Mumbai and is indicative of glamour and glitter of the city. It is essentially 3.6 km long, arc-shaped boulevard along the South Mumbai coast and start at the southern end of Nariman Point and ends at Girgaon Chopati, popularly known as Chopati Beach. The coast wraps the Arabian Sea and is the best place in Mumbai to watch the sunset or even just to take a leisurely stroll by the sea any time of the day or night. At night, when the whole coastline lights up, it justifies its other moniker, that is Queen's Necklace. The whole curve of coastline, shaded with palm trees, makes for a spectacular view at night. You can go to either end of the Marine Drive after sunset and see the lights glowing in a perfect arc all along the coast. People comes to walk here in the evening to experience the brilliant sunset. It is also one of the places people visit late at night, and you will find vendors selling tea and snacks at all hours. The sound of waves, a view of Mumbai skyline, and a starry sky easily makes Marine Drive one of the most romantic spots in the city. Elephanta Caves. UNESCO World Heritage Site, Elephanta Cave is a specimen of rock cut art and architecture from the time of medieval India. The caves are located on the Elephanta or Gharpuri Island, which is situated at the distance of 11 km from the city of Mumbai. Natively known as Gharpurichi Leni, the Elephanta caves that exist today are ruins of what were once elaborately painted artworks. It also provides an amazing view of Mumbai's skyline. You can reach the Elephanta Caves via ferry ride from Gateway of India. This collection of cave temples dates back to 5th to 7th centuries. From the most of them are dedicated to Lord Shiva. There are two groups of alcoves in the site of Elephanta Caves. The first is large group of 5 Hindus cave and second one is the smaller group of 2 Hindu caves. The Hindu caves contains the stone sculpture representing Shiva, Hindu sect. The caves are expression of art and number of important imagery are sculpted here, which include Trimurti or three-headed Shiva, Gangadhar, which is the manifestation of river Ganga, has she descended to earth, and Ardhanareshwar, which is the representation of Shiva and Parvati in the same body. In addition to being an important heritage site, the Elephanta Caves are also an unlikely trekking destination.
Thanks for watching. Do like, do comment and share with others. You can also follow me on Instagram. Link is given in the description.